Hello and welcome to my latest video. This one's going to be slightly different today. I've started putting some of my data files into SQL Server, and the install of SQL Server and the setup to allow you to import data has got a little bit more difficult, so I'm just really going to run through the setup of that and then work through the issues and show you, so if you ever wish to do it, you can do it also. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go SQL Server Downloads. We go to here. I'm going to click on the developer one. As you can see, it will download. Click yes. Now this install will take a moment, but we'll just click on basic. Accept the terms. This is where it's going to place it. If you want to put it somewhere else, you can change this, but best to leave it as default, and just press install. As I said, this will take a short while, so I'll come back once it's complete. Okay, great, it's finally installed. It takes probably 10 minutes or so. So what we need to do next is install SSMS. So we will go to this page, click download, download up here. Again, we just open this program up to install. Again, this is the location, you can leave it as default or change it if you wish. Again, I'll be back once this is fully installed. Okay, this is complete, so we can close. Again, took about 8 or 9 minutes to install. Close this one also. Okay, now we need to run the software. Okay, when we get to this screen, we hit connect. And as you can see on the left hand side, it's the name of your server. What we want to do is create a database. So we just come to here, click new database. This is where I'm going to put my FBref data. Name it accordingly. Now if you look here, you'll see that the database is present. The next thing we want to do is actually add a table to this database. So we right click on here, go to tasks, import data, we go next. What we want to do is we want to import one of these Excel files. So we'll just grab one of these ones here. So we'll go back to here, we click on here, click Excel, click here, open. It's pulled it in here. We click next, and this is where we start getting issues. So now I'm going to show you how to use AI to possibly help us with this problem. So we're going to show details. We're going to copy this, and what we are going to do, we're going to use DeepSeek, and we're going to paste this in here, and we're going to tell it. So we're telling it we're trying to import an Excel file, but I'm getting this error. So the error lies here because it's not registered on the machine. It's telling us to download this. As you see, this file is no longer available. But if we go here, this one is available. We also need the 2010 one. So we'll copy this. So we need to look for this page. We'll put the link below the video, and we're just going to download both of these. I've now placed them into this folder, but what we need to do is we're going to install these and test to see which one works using the command window, the terminal window. So what we will do is now ask DeepSeek how we install those. So as we have here, I need to install 2010 using the command window. Please tell me how. And it's actually told us how to install both of them. So we have, again, the name of the file, -quiet, the other file, -quiet. So I'm going to show you how to get to your command window. I have a shortcut on my screen here. I'm going to double click it. I've set mine to open as admin. If you haven't, then you're just going to right click on it and run as admin. So now copy that. We are now inside where we need to be. So we go back to here, and we're going to copy this one. See if this is the one we need. So we'll hit copy, go back here, paste it, and it is installed. Now we reopen SQL Server. Go back to here. And as you see, we've moved on to the next step. We go down to here, and we are going to use on this bottom one here. So we're doing select all, so that asterisk there means all from sheet 1. And as you can see, this is sheet 1 in here. This was a file, so this is where it's going to put all the data from in here. Next, finish, finish. As you can see, pulled just over 3,000 rows of data. Hit close. Now if we open this up, open tables, you'll see it's here. Just going to change the name. All the data is there. We're going to query it. So again, select all from Here it is. So we hit execute. And as you can see, all the data is here. Now, we'll go into SQL at another time, but let's just say we wanted to look at player, comma X equals, let's go with I Watkins as a Mozilla fan. We run execute that. All it's going to do is show us Ollie Watkins data. And again, the reason I'm showing you this is because later on in my code I'm actually not using CSV files or Excel files to get my data from. I'm pulling all my data from here, so I can just store all my Excel files with all the data in SQL Server. I'm also writing code that will automatically run my code, so I don't have to worry about it anymore, and it will also refresh the Excel files into SQL Server again, so it's all automated. So we have to get this set up first, and I had to redo mine. I had an issue, so I thought I'd make this video. So if you guys are interested in that, and I will get the videos later on how to do all of this and how to connect your data and refresh it automatically. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to fix that problem, because it does keep occurring when you install the later versions of SQL Server. Keep saying that thing isn't registered on your system, so you have to go into your terminal, download that file, and then write that little bit of code in the terminal, and it will install it, and it should work. If you have any problems, write down in the comments below, and I'll try and assist you the best I can. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can see more as I come along. I'm hoping, as I say, to do more and more when time allows, but I hope this video was useful for you today. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now.